Border Healthier Winter webinar. I'm Esme Walton, a Programme Officer here at Birmingham City Council. First of all, if everyone can just keep their mics on mute and the cameras off for the time being, that would be really appreciated. So you'll have a chance to ask questions at the end, or you can pop them in the chat throughout, but we'll wait until the end to answer them. So the session is being recorded and will be publicly made available online afterwards. So today I'll be talking about what this series is and what your role is in helping to improve health and wellbeing in your community. I will then hand over to Sarah, who will give an introduction to behaviour change. So Border Healthier Windsor is a series of practical resources aimed at professionals and community leaders with a direct reach to communities who have an established, trusted relationship. So as the winter months come in, and so do the mounting financial pressures facing people, we want to educate and engage with leaders and professionals across the city to support communities on how and what we can do to stay mentally and physically healthy this winter. So what is a Border Healthier Winter? We will be providing reliable information and practical tips on how you can access support during the winter period, and we will be signposting you to relevant providers and how you can access them. We will provide guidance and advice to support healthy living and staying healthy this winter, and how you can have those conversations with the people in your community. So changes in the seasons can affect mood, especially as we go into the winter months and the dark nights creep in on us. Seasonal affective disorder is thought to affect around 2 million of us in the UK. So the winter months can also bring sleep disturbances, increases in flu cases, additional unhealthy eating, and can impact on our well-being in a range of ways. So we will also be talking about practical tips to help deal with all of these subjects and how you can support those in your community. So in total, we will have 8 webinars, and the topics will range from winter flu vaccines to substance abuse. So the series will run from today up until the 29th of November, ready for peak winter. So we'll be releasing a video per week, so keep a lookout on our Healthy Brum social media to find out when. So we're going to have 2 live sessions, and that includes this one and the winter flu vaccine webinar, which will take place on the 18th of October from 6 till 7. And during these live sessions, we do encourage you to ask questions in the chat throughout, or any questions at the end. And the remaining 6 topics will be pre-recorded and uploaded onto the council's website, and you can search for a Border Healthier Winter or follow one of these links when you have access to this PowerPoint. So as part of the Border Healthier Winter series, we will provide you with a slide deck for you to refer back to at any point, as well as the recordings of the webinars. And we'll also be here to support you and your community. So if you do have any questions about the information that we give you, please email borderhealthierchampions@birmingham.gov.uk. Sorry, the lights have just gone out. I'll roll with it.
You have to wiggle your arms around and then they come back on.
Oh, I'm not doing that on camera. So what do we ask of you as community leaders? What's your role in this? Sorry, Ben's just come in. So you're vital in helping to support your community to stay well over winter. You're a trusted voice within your community, and therefore you can help to encourage healthier changes to lifestyles by talking about the information and resources that we provide to you in your communities and networks. So we encourage you to just open up that conversation with people in your community and really get people talking about staying healthy this winter. So we ask that you share the reliable information when you have these conversations with your networks and encourage positive health within your communities. And this can be done by signposting people to the relevant support, or by simply raising awareness of how to stay healthy this winter. To help your communities, it's important that you promote the information in a way that works for you and your community. So this can be as simple as just having a one-to-one conversation with somebody in your community or network, or by signposting people to the relevant support through giving a talk. It's important that you also spot those people in your community who might need help. Sometimes people are afraid to ask or to bring up that conversation. So as part of your role, we do ask that you support those members in your community and open up that conversation with them. We'd also like you to promote these webinars via your networks so that people can come and watch these sessions and can spread the word even further into the communities in Birmingham. So if promoting positive health and supporting your community to improve their health and wellbeing is something that you do enjoy and you want to get more involved, you can join the Border Healthier Champions programme. So the Border Healthier Champions are advocates for important health messages in Birmingham, and they distribute information into a wide range of communities and networks. So we will support you through monthly themed webinars and tailored resource packs, and we'll also be having monthly drop-in sessions for you to feed back to us so that we can continuously work together to improve health and wellbeing in Birmingham. So we've previously covered physical activity and how it can be incorporated into our daily lives, as well as the benefits from increasing regular activities, even in small ways. And this month, November, we'll be covering cost of living, and in November, we'll be talking about diabetes. So if this is something that you do want to get involved in and you're interested in, then you can sign up today by either searching Border Healthy Champions Birmingham City Council, or by clicking on the link when you receive the slide deck, and that will take you to some further information about the Border Healthier Champions.